Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. It is a subpar beautiful day here in Vancouver, British Columbia. Today we're going to be doing some more work on the A3, and this is really spontaneous. Like literally 15 minutes ago I decided I'm going to go and do this, but today we're finally going to make the plunge and start doing some engine modifications to the A3. I decided today I'm going to go ahead and head out to one of our local dealers here in Vancouver to purchase an intake for the A3. I've been looking on ECS tuning for a long time, waiting for some certain items to go on sale that are pretty expensive in American dollars, let alone converted to Canadian. But one of the local dealers here, CTS Turbo, is actually having an Oktoberfest sale for German vehicles, and it's actually 25% off of almost all of their stuff, and one of those things being the intake for my car, and it's actually only $400 Canadian right now after taxes and everything. So I'm gonna take the plunge and be a little spontaneous and head out there right now to go buy it. We've only got about maybe 2 hours to get out there, so I'm gonna go and pick that bad boy up and gonna install that on the A3. I've been waiting a really long time to actually start doing stuff to it, and you know what? I had a little bit of an epiphany today about wasting my own time. So without further ado, let's grab the keys and let's go get that intake. But first, we're gonna let the little kitty outside to go pee. Bye bye. I will never get tired of how amazing this car sounds just with a muffler delete. All right, full send. Go, 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 go. We've arrived here at PDR and CTS Turbo in Langley, British Columbia, and there's tons of Volkswagens here. Like there's a really nice red GTI right next to me. There is a white Golf R just down there with the CTS symbol on it. Mini Cooper S right next to that, which is a supercharged BMW. So, and on their sign they apparently do BMWs too, and I didn't know that. But I'm gonna run inside and I'm gonna see if they have this thing in stock, and then I will be right back. All right, so the intake is in the back, in the hatch. That was a nice $400 purchase after taxes. So we're gonna make the good old 17-minute trek back home, and we'll pop the hood on this bad boy and start throwing it together. So here it is, straight from CTS in a real basic box because they don't really do at the door sales. It's all in here, so we're gonna do a comprehensive unboxing of everything that we get with this intake. So without further ado, I'm going to grab a knife and cut this stuff open, and then we will get to installing it. All right, first things first. This bad boy right here, I'm guessing this is our filter. Ah, come on. CTS Turbo filter. It says CTS right up here, right down here. It's oily as heck, as they will be. Next thing, we got some pipes. Check that out. Aluminum powder coated intake pipes. These are 3-inch pipes. And then we have a little guy. Just a little 90-degree bend, 3-inch. Mounting tab. Bag full of silicone couplers and clamps. Miscellaneous weather stripping, and another bracket and some screws. And then these are our mounting panels for the front of the intake. There's one. And there's two. And that's it for in the box. There's some other stuff in there. There's a lanyard and some license plate brackets and some stickers, but whatever, we want the core stuff. I just kind of dumped it all in my engine bay, but let's start taking apart the factory intake, and then we'll set that all to the side and we'll throw this bad boy on. It's really important to be careful with these kind of compression fit clips on Volkswagens, as you can break them really easily, as I've learned the hard way in the past. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to push down, and then you can take a small flathead and you're going to want to pop the top of it ever so slightly, and boom, pops right off. And boom, intake box is out. T25 Torx bit, back right down here. And stock turbo coupler is now off. So you're gonna take your new turbo coupler, which is our CTS one, if it would focus, anyways, and get the correct size clamp. Alright, so next is the main section of pipe. You're going to connect your breather on the back first, plug your meth lines if you have meth, and then you're going to give it the old finagle. I need these two bad boys to hook up the old math. Alright, so now we're going to put the box, quote-unquote, part together, and I'm just going to time-lapse it, so let's get started. So there we go, the CTS intake is now installed, everything's nice and tight, weather stripping is on, and let's fire this thing up and see how it sounds. I'm gonna throw the camera over here and go turn off the music. All right, so this is gonna be the first drive, first reactions. All windows up, fans are off, music is off, sunroof is closed, and we're just gonna do some regular driving and then we'll do some pulls. Ooh. You can already hear it. I'm like 15% throttle there accelerating and you can already hear it. This is so sick. I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna burn so much gas now just to hear boosty noises. Huh. Something made a weird noise.